principal, Honana Bhadradas, my prettiest teachers, and my fellow classmates. Today I am going to take privilege to talk about nature. Nature is the beautiful creation of God. It is the most precious gift to all of us living on earth. The greatest thinkers of all time, Albert Einstein, once said, "Look deep into nature and you will understand everything better." It is often said that beauty lies in the eyes of beholder, but it does not hold good for nature. There can hardly be a person who will not like to see colorful, sweet-smelling flowers, mountain peaks covered with snow, sailing clouds with a colorful rainbow. The list is never ending. God has created nature with great affection. It is the most precious gift to mankind. The intricate design on a leaf, attractive colors of butterflies can speak volumes. The beautiful and calming sunrise in an early morning with the two drops of blade of grass and leaves is a breathtaking experience. Not just for recreation purpose, nature is really source of our basic needs, but is food, clothing, shelter, the air that we breathe, water that we quench our thirst, etc. Nature is like a mother who nourishes and protects us from any harms. But we human beings have been neglecting of a natural asset or selfish fulfillment, and many mindedness is destroying nature. We are digging our own grave by cutting down forests, drilling down mountains. All this is leading to pollution and deforestation. So friends, let's take care of nature which is gifted from God. Thank you.